Hey YouTube, this is Mr. Round 4321. That's my dog. This is the tennis ball. There's a trash can. There's a piece of shit. You see ball. Right there. You see dog. You see trash can. You see how long it takes me. Don't put a hole in the wall. Go get it. Stop it. Get it. He's getting close. He's getting close. It is? Yep. Okay. It's about 5 o'clock. I like doing homework soon. Get it. Get it. Get it. Good girl. Good girl. Now she goes away. Like a bitch.